What's going on, you guys? Welcome back to the YouTube channel. I appreciate you tuning in today. As you can tell from the title, you already know what is happening. We're sitting in the Miata right now because it's actually happened a few days ago, and I'm actually filming kind of like more of a formal intro for this video because the day it did happen, I was super confused. I was caught off guard. I wasn't prepared for it to happen, and I was honestly a little worried when it did happen. So, you know, I sound like I'm freaking out and stuff. So I've never actually had a car misfire on me or start misfiring, so I wasn't really, you know, prepared for... I didn't know it was going to sound like that, basically, and I didn't really know what was wrong, so I had no idea what it was. I ended up driving it straight to top notch. Anyways, I'll stop explaining it. It's a lot more interesting the day it happened. Let's roll the clip. Alright guys, I just had to pull over. Sorry, this vlog is starting kind of sporadic, but the Z is not running very good right now. Listen to this. Listen to this. You hear that? I mean... it sounds like it's only running... oh my god. It smells kind of weird. I'm gonna restart it. Let's see if it does anything. Oh, I hope it starts again. Oh, I'm so scared. Okay. Okay, it's still doing it. Could this be an injector or a spark plug? I don't know. I'm not quite sure. If you guys know, let me know down in the comments. I have to drive this thing home right now. Oh, one sec, let me call someone. Okay, so listen. It seems okay. Do you see that? Do you hear that? Do you feel that? It sounds like it's running on like half of what it should be running on. Alright guys, so we're driving over there right now to Top Notch Auto. They actually fixed the Miata. They did an amazing job, so I'm totally not worried at all. Hopefully it's nothing bad. I actually just called them and talked to them on the phone. They think maybe it's a bad injector or a bad spark plug or something, so hopefully it's something simple like that and it's not something really bad. It does sound cammed right now, so I don't know. It just doesn't sound like it's running on everything. Maybe like half the cylinders. It's weird. At idle, it pops like boop, 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 boop. It's really weird. It's like a random pop. Then like right now, it's so hard to hear. But when I give it a little bit more gas, it like, that was my terrible, actually, that was actually pretty good, but like embarrassing, but you know, pretty good. Oh my God, I'm getting a service engine soon. And we're hitting every red light. That's terrifying, actually. I honestly, you know, I feel like I have pretty good luck considering, you know, all my cars work, you know, most of the time. It's just times like this when they don't, obviously. But, you know, Top Notch Auto, they'll figure it out. It's not going to be anything big. They're probably, I'm probably going to pull up, they're going to be like, oh, it's this, and then we'll be on our way. Man, I don't know if you can hear that. It sounds like a motorcycle. It's like... So the sauce is, I added some oil this morning, and I was like thinking maybe I added too much and like the dipstick was reading wrong, because I'm assuming that's possible. I know if you add too much oil, the first sign is usually you're like blowing white smoke out the back. It's like super dense and obvious. That is not the case right now. We have no smoke coming out the back. So it leads me to believe it's not the oil. And then, I don't know, there's a lot of questions, lots of questions. Trying to diagnose it myself while we're driving over here. Luckily this place is like 5 minutes from where we are, so we should be there any second, which is awesome. Yeah. Man, I just want to baby it the whole way there. It's like it's running right now, which I'm so thankful that it's running, but like, you know, as soon as I say something, it probably won't be running. So I think we hit every single red light. I'm not even joking. All right, we made it. I'm just happy we made it. That's amazing. You don't have to call a tow truck or anything, or a special tow truck because we're like too low. Top Notch Auto, here to save the day like always. Just pull it up here, right in front. Boom. Made it over. So we cruised over to Top Notch Auto right away. Luckily they weren't too busy and they were actually able to look at the car real quick. Hunter, one of my friends, actually graduated with him. It's pretty cool. He works over there at Top Notch Auto. He walked out to the car, he checked it out, definitely confirmed it was a misfire. Grabbed the code scanner and plugged it in, and as you can tell in this clip right here, it wasn't actually reading any codes, which is really weird.
I just have to wait until it throws the code basically.
Okay.
To know what cylinder.
Yeah.
Or we can go through and like I can just pull out number one, and if it's filthy,
yeah,
We can put some plugs on it.
I was pretty confused. Like, we were kind of just guessing at that point because the code reader wasn't saying anything. So we went spark plugs. That was the first thing we ended up doing. I'll show you how the conversation went.
Right there.
Oh, okay.
So you just undo the 10 mil, pop that out, pull the plug.
Okay.
It'd be kind of soon for your coil packs to go. Hopefully it's not, because plugs are only like 10 bucks a piece.
Okay, that's nice.
Coils are like 100.
And there's 6 of those too?
Yeah, one for every plug.
Of course.
So that's why you always start with plugs, because I mean, it's pretty spend 60 bucks on plugs.
True.
Doesn't work at least you have any plugs.
Yeah, I'd be down to do that.
Okay. I mean, figure basically just an hour plus 6 plugs.
Yeah.
150, 160 bucks.
Yeah.
I'll get everything ordered right now and just
okay. Sounds good. Oh, that sounds bad. It sounds worse than it is, hopefully, you know.
Yeah.
It was running on like half power, it felt like. Awesome. Cool, thank you.
Yeah, no problem.
Alright, I'll see you soon.
They know what's wrong with it?
He's gonna do spark plugs. Bye. You got it, bro. Yes. Bye. Oh man. That's weird. So I've done a little bit of research on what this could possibly be. A common problem is the knock sensor goes out, which you need to replace. It's like the middle of the engine, and I checked on how much it's going to be to replace that, and online it said about $600, so hopefully it's not that. There's the camshaft positioning sensor, which it could be as well. I actually had someone recommend checking that, and luckily that's only like $70 or $80 to get replaced, because it must be right on the top or something. So, but anyways, we're having him do spark plugs because I don't actually know what the problem is, and it seems like spark plugs will be the best answer. Hopefully this fixes it. I mean, I don't even know. My car is sitting at 80,000 miles even right now, so it's probably time to do the spark plugs. I'm hoping that's the problem and we're gonna fix the spark plugs and the car's gonna run like new again. That would be the easiest fix. I really hope it does fix the problem, because it can get a lot more expensive than that. It's probably gonna be like $60 or $70 for the spark plugs. They're probably like $10 a piece, and hopefully labor is like an hour, so you know, $160 I'm hoping to pay. We'll have to find out and see. Hopefully we'll get a call from them tomorrow with a confirmation price. So anyways, thank you guys so much for joining in today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. This is just the life of owning a car, and honestly, you know, if they didn't break down every now and then or cause little issues, you know, it'd be kind of weird and it wouldn't be as fun, to be honest. Obviously it gets kind of expensive every now and then, but you know, it is kind of fun, you know, replace new parts, and it just feels good to know that your car has brand new pieces and parts and stuff like that. So it's good peace of mind, you know. Anyways, thank you guys so much for tuning in. I hope I have an update for you guys in the next video, a positive one and not a negative one, but you know, only time will tell. I think tomorrow we're going to be taking the Miata over and getting it smogged, so hopefully we pass. Let me know down in the comments if you think we're going to pass or not. I did spend $2,000 at Top Notch Auto, so it better pass, or you already know we'll be taking them the Miata as well. Or maybe we won't, because I kind of need a car. So anyways, thank you guys so much for tuning in. I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.